Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel.
Young's Point is a charming village in the heart of Ontario's scenic Kawartha Lakes region. Nestled along the Trent Severn Waterway, this village offers a rich blend of natural beauty, history, and recreational activities. Young's Point is especially known for its picturesque Lock 27, a historic lock on the Trent Severn Waterway that has facilitated river traffic since the 1870s. Originally, this lock was essential for transporting lumber, goods, and passengers, but today it welcomes tourists and boaters who enjoy the area's tranquility and charm. Historically, Young's Point emerged as a key port, especially once the Young family, early settlers of the area, built a dam and grist mill here in 1825. This site later expanded to include a bridge and small businesses, becoming a bustling hub during the steamboat era. As roads developed in the 1930s, steamboat travel faded, but the village retained its appeal as a peaceful retreat and gateway to the natural beauty of Clear Lake and Stony Lake. If you enjoy the outdoors, Young's Point has plenty to offer. The area is popular for fishing, hiking, and especially boating. Visitors often explore the Trent Severn Waterway, which stretches through the village and connects a series of lakes and rivers ideal for a leisurely day on the water. There are also scenic trails, allowing hikers to take in Ontario's diverse wildlife and landscapes. Nearby, the Young's Point Conservation Area is an ideal spot for those seeking a quiet escape amidst beautiful forests and waterfront views. Thank you for joining us in discovering the beauty of Young's Point, Ontario.